I'm using MK12 and SKS in this video. Notice how SKs only shoot one bullet every tap. This can also be seen in MK12. I'll apply the AI click from the app. If you want to know this trick, watch the video in the description first. Notice this light blinks from red to blue. That means it's going to do the burst mode or auto gun. Now you can only hold the fire button and the guns will fire rapidly. This recoil is controllable by touching the screen. Watch the video in the description to know how I lessen the recoil by just holding the screen. Now for those who are pro gamers and uses gyroscope to play. You can use both gyroscope with a DS and it will work amazingly. Set this sensitivity at 30% like in the video. Now let's turn on gyroscope. Customize this with your own game sensitivity. I'll be using gyroscope to shoot, but not my thumb.